Altruism has perplexed evolutionary social scientists and biologists, for that means, for a long time. And the reason is because it's hard to argue how behaviors that are so costly to an individual, that help other people, that will make at risk any genetic descendants, can be favored by evolution or by natural selection. There is a mathematical equation that describes the condition for altruism to evolve. The aim of this paper was to estimate a part of that equation which will allow us to say how plausible it is that altruism can be favored by natural selection through cultural or genetic means. Now, our numbers show in the paper, and this is what we revolve the paper around, and we argue that socially learned behavior and beliefs, or culture as we define it here, is a much better candidate to explain the pro-social tendencies that humans have in large-scale societies. In warfare, often soldiers giving their lives for those who are unrelated to them, blood and food banks. A lot of those activities deal with individuals giving something of themselves to those who they don't know, who they don't know about, or who are unrelated to them, or strangers. Now, in Tonga, I hope through ethnography to estimate statistically what social learning behaviors people have in general that may explain the distribution of cultural beliefs across the island. And if there's lots of migration between villages, it may be that the differences either erode and so they become similar, or when migrants move to other villages, they adopt the majority behavior belief in the village, and the differences persist through time. So I hope in Tonga, through ethnography, to estimate what kind of social, in general, what kind of social learning preferences people have, and how does that affect the distribution of cultural beliefs.